If you want hundreds or even thousands of dollars immediately delivered to your bank or Bitcoin account right now, then please join 50/50 Crowdfunding to raise all the funds you need and want for any purpose. And here's why we believe this is your best option to receive funds every minute of every day, beginning right now. 50/50 Crowdfunding is the world's first peer-to-peer, fully automated, cooperative crowdfunding system where you always receive 50%. 50/50 is the first system that rewards both the giver and receiver, and just $29 gets you your very own cooperative crowdfunding system that includes personalized real-time dashboard, personalized sites, tools, and support. A one-time out-of-pocket donation gets you started and allows you to raise all the funds you want for any purpose and receive 50% from all the funds donated by the people you invite. And here's the best part. You immediately receive 50% of every donation in your one-of-a-kind 2x2 Follow Me matrix forever, because there's no middleman and no waiting. Here are a few other reasons why we believe 50/50 can help put funds in your pocket immediately. Our system has a 15-year history of proven success. Our systems have already helped well over 600,000 people. When you use 50/50, funds are raised cooperatively from around the world, and there are multiple donation levels for you to receive from simultaneously. And here's another great point. 100% of all donations go to you and your team. You can raise all the funds you want with no limits to the amount you raised, and no time limits. Here's another awesome point. You can receive your donations in either dollars or Bitcoins. And the absolute best part is we offer a global donation pool. Imagine you will receive 50% over and over again, regardless of whether you invite 2, 20, 200, or 2,000 people. You can invite as many as you like, and you will always get half. To get the most out of 50/50 and keep receiving from now until forever, it's just 3 simple, doable steps to massive success. Step 1. Register and become an active donor. Step 2. Help 2 or more become active donors. And step 3. Help your 2 or more each get 2 or more active donors. That's it. Just 2 who get 2, and that completes your matrix. Then a wonderful thing happens. You're re-entered to receive again without additional effort or qualifications. And that happens because of the one and only Mobius loop, which is proprietary to 50/50. And what that does, that always ensures that you remain with your team. You follow your inviter, and your team follows you. In 50/50, there are no boards, no splits, and you always stay with your team. In other systems, you have to wait, and nothing happens. But in 50/50, we are peer-to-peer, which means there is no middleman and no waiting for your matrix to fill. Just 2 donations and you are even forever. Watch this. You invite 1 and immediately receive 50%. 1 then invites 2, and you and 1 both immediately receive 50%. That makes you even on that level forever. There are only 6 positions in your 2x2 Follow Me matrix. However, there are 4 ways that they can be filled. They can be filled by personal registrations, enrollee registrations, help from above, or even help from below. Watch this. Number 2 is enrolled by your inviter, and you receive a donation. That's what we call help from above. And number 3 is enrolled by number 2, and you receive another donation. That is what we call help from below. you've received 2 donations and you haven't enrolled anybody yet. That's another feature that makes us unique and why we call 50/50 cooperative crowdfunding. Here's another very important point. 100% of every donation is immediately assigned, and 50% always goes to you in your 2x2 matrix. And here's something really exciting. We always have a position for the next person you want to help, because as soon as 6 positions are filled, another one automatically opens up for you to receive 6 more donations. To help you reach your goals faster, there are 5 rewarding receiving levels for you to receive donations. When you donate $250, you'll receive 6 donations of $125 for a total of $750. When you donate $500, you will receive 6 donations of $250 and receive $1,500 each time you cycle. And when you donate $1,000, you'll receive 6 donations of $500 and receive $3,000 each time you cycle. When you donate $2,000, you receive 6 donations of $1,000 and receive a total of $6,000. And the best part is, when you donate $4,000, you receive 6 donations of $2,000 and receive a total of $12,000 in donations for that level. And remember, you immediately receive 50% of every donation over and over again forever. And the best part is, you can receive donations simultaneously from all levels every minute of every day. Now imagine this: receiving 3 donations of $125, 2 donations of $250, 5 donations of $500, 1 donation of $1,000, and 2 donations of $2,000. That is what can happen on any given day in 50/50. Here's one more thing to think about. No matter where you begin, eventually you may be on all levels. And if you cycle just once a month on each level, you'll receive $23,250 every month. My question to you is this: would that help you financially? Of course it would. So join 50/50 crowdfunding and start receiving funds right now. In 50/50 crowdfunding, you always get half. And that's what makes us the world's fastest and most rewarding crowdfunding system ever. So use the donor key of the person who invited you, and let's get busy with it and start raising all the funds you want for any purpose, beginning right now.